Parish Public Library's Adult Crafternoon. Hi, I'm Miss Janet. Today we're going to be doing a DIY thrift store bird bath. We'll be using vases and a plate from the thrift store. We'll take this vase and put it on top and lay the plate on top of this.
The materials you'll need are paint, paint brushes, sandpaper, gloves, silicone sealer, that's waterproof, clear acrylic seal to seal your paint, glass beads to decorate your plate. You begin by sanding your vase down to rough it up to make sure the paint will adhere to it. Then you can begin painting your vases. You can use any color acrylic paint you wish. You will need to paint 2 coats to completely cover it. Let dry thoroughly between coats. Lay your glass beads down in the pattern that you like on your plate before gluing. Then, when you're satisfied, use your silicone clear seal to glue the beads to your plate. Allow to dry thoroughly. Spray your vase with the clear acrylic sealer. Make sure you cover your entire vase. This will prevent your paint from chipping and cracking so quickly. Next, place your clear silicone sealer on the inside of the vase. Use plenty sealer. Do not be afraid to glob it on. Place your vase inside and allow the glue to dry at least an hour. Then, apply more silicone sealer to the top of the vase, generously. Then place your plate on top. Now, with your beautiful bird bath, you can enjoy watching the birds in your yard. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our craft today, and you can find more about birds and making bird baths at your local library. Stop by one today. See you next time.